The Milkmaid and Her Bucket. Sadie, a milkmaid, milked her cow and had 2 full buckets of new, smooth, creamy milk. She put the 2 buckets of milk on a stick and set out to the market to sell it. As she made strides towards the market, her contemplations took steps towards wealth. On her way, she continued to ponder the cash she would make from selling the milk. Then she pondered how she would manage that cash. She was conversing with herself and said, "When I get the cash, I'll purchase a chicken. The chicken will lay eggs and I will get more chickens. They'll every lay egg, and I will sell them for more cash. Then, at that point, I'll purchase the house on the slope and everybody will begrudge me." She was extremely glad that soon she would be exceptionally rich. With these blissful considerations, she walked ahead. In any case, abruptly, she stumbled and fell. Both the buckets of the milk fell, and everything she could ever hope for were broken. The milk spilt onto the ground, and the best anyone could hope for at that point was to cry. "No more dream," she cried stupidly. Lesson of the story: try not to count your chickens before they are hatched. If you like the story, please like, share and subscribe.